Hey guys, my name is Usama and I welcome you all onto the brand new tutorial series on HTML. In this tutorial series, you will learn all the fundamentals of HTML. To become master in HTML, I will teach you all the fundamentals in this tutorial series. In this introductory video, we will talk about what is HTML. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So HTML is a language used to define the content on the web. So HTML is the most building block of the web. It defines the meaning and the structure of the web contents. Other technologies besides HTML are generally used to describe web page appearance, presentation, like we use CSS to style the web page, and for functionality and behavior we use JavaScript. So in HTML, the hypertext refers to links that connect web pages to one another, either with a single website or between websites. Links are fundamental aspects of the web. By uploading content on the internet and linking it to pages created by other people, you become an active participant in the World Wide Web. So HTML uses markup to create, annotate text, images and other content for display in the web browser. So there are different tags we use in HTML to define different types of content. So let's say I visit a website here, the website called MDN. There you see the content of the web page is defined using HTML. If I right click and then go to inspect, then in elements you are going to see lot of HTML. So this is the HTML actually which is used to define the content and the structure of the web page. So the structure and the content is generally defined using HTML. So and then the styling and the functionality, let's say I click on this link and then we go to next page, that functionality is defined using JavaScript. So HTML is used to just define the content of the web page. So in HTML we have tags. So let's talk about tags. So HTML has special tags for defining content. So tag look like this. We have an angle bracket and the name of an element. So different kinds of elements are used for different purposes. So here is an element called p element. So if I visit the website again, there you are going to see the p elements here. So in this p elements we have all this text. So generally the p tag is used to define large paragraphs and other kind of text. So we have different kinds of tags which are used to define different kinds of content. So let's talk about HTML elements. So after tags we have an HTML element. So HTML element consists of an opening tag and a closing tag. So tag is just placed in angle brackets. So we have a start tag, like you see we have a p tag, we have the starting tag, and then we close the tag using this backslash and then the name of the tag. So HTML element is generally consist of an opening tag, closing tag and some content between it. So this is called an HTML element. We use HTML element to define the content of the web page. So now let's talk about the attributes. What are the attributes? So some HTML elements have different attributes as well. So attributes contain extra information about the HTML. So there are elements which use different kinds of attributes. If I visit a website again, so there you are going to see this man it's have an attribute called ID class. So we can give different attributes as well, as many as we can give. So the ID and the class attributes are used to style the website. So we use ID attribute to select this item, and then in CSS we give different properties, styling properties using ID or class. So we generally give ID and class to just specify the anything like paragraph, main tag, or there are different kinds of other tags as well. So we just use them and then apply styling using them. So this is HTML introduction. In the next video we will talk about how to install VS Code and we will write our first HTML course. So I hope you will enjoy the course. So please subscribe my channel and see you in the next video.